Well, Portsmouth's COVID-19 vaccination hotline is live, and the lines are very busy. People have been calling all day to learn more about vaccines and set up appointments. The number is meant to help those without reliable internet access navigate the vaccination process. You can call the hotline number from 9 in the morning until 4:30 in the afternoon. The number is right here on your screen, 393-8585. You'll press option 9. Again, 393-8585. It's also on WAVY.com.
And the high number of calls on the first day shows the kind of year the health department is having. Portsmouth was the last municipality in the state to officially move into Phase 1B last week.
Health officials tell us their wait list stretches into the thousands. 10 on your side's Geena Arevalo has the latest on vaccination efforts there and what you need to know.
Tom and Anita, since vaccination rollout began, I'm told about 3,900 people in Portsmouth have received a shot. The demand continues to grow, but we're told getting through Phase 1B here will take about 2 to 3 months, depending on the supply. With about 1,200 doses coming in a week, Portsmouth District Director Dr. Lauren James says vaccinating everyone in Phase 1B is no easy feat.
We estimate it could be 20 to 30,000 people potentially in that group.
The federal government promised to send states more doses, but James says it's not yet clear how much more that will include for the city of Portsmouth. We're told the Portsmouth Health Department is working to contact and schedule appointments for between 8,000 to 10,000 people who pre-registered through the website alone.
We have a list of voicemails as well, so we're just trying to order them by first come, first serve to get to everyone. But when we don't get a response by email or phone, we do have to continue to move down our list.
James says staff is working to improve communication on their website and with the newly launched call center. Meanwhile, Mayor Shannon Glover says the city is exploring more ways to help with the distribution process.
Myself and Dr. James was on a call with the leaders at Bon Secours yesterday talking about ways that they could assist us in our effort of vaccinating our people.
Officials are happy the public is eager to get vaccinated, but they say the vaccination process isn't one to rush through.
We have to just take our time and make sure that we're doing it correctly because we don't want to have any negative outcomes that could have been prevented.
We'll get through this together, but it's going to take some time.
A reminder, the city's vaccination site at the sports complex off Portsmouth Boulevard is by appointment only. It is not open to the public. Geena Arevalo, 10 on your side.
Well, supply